Let's get hitched.
Already got hitched.
But
Want to get rehitched?
Rehitched. So this is an e-trailer hitch. And there's actually a really good how-to video on the e-trailer website. So we're not really, this isn't going to be a how-to, but this is just going to be how we did it. There's a really, really funny part where you have to fish a wire through.
This is a fishing line. We'll get to that.
Yeah. I just laughed when I saw it in the how-to video. It looks really weird, but it works. So we're gonna attempt to get this bad boy on here.
This one has backup lights, so you have to disconnect those.
The backup camera, is that what that is?
Backup camera,
Oh, okay.
Boom.
Well, that so far has been really easy. And so what am I looking at? This is the inside of the bumper. What has to happen?
This is actually the bumper. That's just the bumper cover. So
Right.
we have to take this off, and then these plates here go between there.
Oh, so
And there comes new mounting hardware.
okay.
Yeah.
Exciting. Let's try it.
Like that. Now we gotta go fishing.
Now we gotta go fishing. Houston, we have a problem. The hitch has this weird angle on it here. Can you lift that up? It just does not, see how that's angled? I don't know if you can see, but all the diagrams online, like the video actually just shows a flat hitch mount. So I think we're gonna put in a call to the company because the bolt holes are not exactly lining up because of this angle, because this is a flat piece that has to go here on an angle. So
That's not right.
it doesn't make sense to try and mount a flat piece on an angled piece because you can't get it. It's weird. We're gonna call the company in a couple days. We'll get back to you on this. Wah, wah. Poor baby Pistol.
There we go again.
So we have some bad news and we have some good news and good news. The bad news is Pistol has been struggling with another ulcer in her left eye. Now this is the same eye we had surgery on in Las Vegas in February of this year. So called the ophthalmologist in Nevada. He's actually from New Jersey. There's an ophthalmologist here that he recommended 40 minutes away, I think in Robbinsville, New Jersey. Called them. They got us in the very next day at 10 a.m.
What was the name of the vet? The clinic?
North Star Vets, and it was Dr. Gigantis. Dr. Gigantis.
Biggest veterinary hospital I've ever seen. It was like a giant human hospital with ER and specialists.
Yeah, they're open 24 hours, 7 days a week for emergencies. It was crazy, but just a shout out to all the staff there and
Awesome.
The doctor, and they got her in right away and they looked at her and yes, she has an ulcer. So they offered they could do this procedure similar to the surgery we had in Nevada, but not as invasive. So they didn't have to put her under for it. So they said it takes 10 minutes. Just do it.
Do you want to do it now? Yep.
So we did it because we've dealt with these before. We had medication for it. We were dealing with it on our own, but we just need to have it checked out. So they went in, basically they rough up the second layer of the eye so the first layer can heal and adhere to it. So that's what they did. 10 minutes later, she comes back out, got her wear this cone for a bit, on meds, doing drops and meds. And yeah, I mean, it's bad news, but it's turned into good news because she's going to be in less pain. It's going to heal in a couple days, a few more days. And yeah, she'll be back to her usual self. So we're fixing her up.
She looks so sad.
It's just one of these things. It's genetic. She has dry condition, and they're just gonna crop up from time to time. So we're always right on top of them and get them taken care of. But one of those things. So another good news is the hitch that we showed you. I emailed the company. It's eTrailer. We bought those from. And immediately responded. Have to give a shout out to Noah from eTrailer. He immediately said that's a bad weld, shipped us out another hitch that day. So we just got that in today.
It's not like oh, it's some YouTubers. They don't know who we are.
They have no idea. It's just that's how great their customer service is. So, yeah. I mean, I understand some things go wrong. So as long as, they acknowledged it right away and sent out a new one.
Yeah, they shipped out a new one the same day.
Yeah, it was pretty incredible. Now, we got the new one, and we can instantly see what happened. That plate that was bent, they actually welded it upside down on the first one. So we'll show you in here. But Noah said, oh, yeah, bad weld. I can see that right away. So he could see that it was welded on backwards. So it's pretty funny. So we're going to be installing that soon. George has been working on the ceiling panels and wall panels. So I think he's wrapping ceiling panels soon, right?
I think so.
Yeah, I'm really excited to see the vinyl wrap get on there, and it really is going to start feeling like it's coming together. So let's get in there, show you. Here's our new hitch. Now, if you remember where it was bent before, this piece was bent at an angle this way. So what happened is they actually welded this plate on backwards. So it actually tipped out like this. So I think this is gonna work perfectly.
Okay, now the interesting part of this, eTrailer has a really good how to install video on there. It's eTrailer.com. You have to go fishing for the bolts, because the way this works, and here's the fishing line.
Okay. This is the jankiest thing I've ever seen, you guys.
Well, when you have to make something to fit a factory part that's not factored in, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Yeah.
But anyway.
Okay, so this wire comes with the hitch.
This all comes as part of the kit.
Okay.
So this goes like this. Mm-hmm. And then this was our bumper that goes on here.
Yes.
So this, we have to line up these bottom studs.
Hi, Pistol. You're helping. Hi. Hi.
So those are in there.
Okay.
Those has lined up.
So these are lining up. And then...
Okay, so there's a hole on each side, so we can fish this one from here and this one from here, I think.
Mm-hmm. Here we go.
Video. Oh. What?
Oh, nice.
Kidding me?
I thought it would take a lot more wrangling.
I could tear that off there, then I can't use it again if I screw up. Conical washer.
Wow.
I can't believe that worked.
Wow, me neither. Okay, let's hope we have
Must be in there.
equal luck. This is the funkiest thing.
Okay, we thought it was the funkiest thing ever, but it actually works slicker than heck.
Yeah, I really thought we were going to be at that for like 20 minutes.
Whoa!
Wow. I stand corrected then.
Well-
Maybe it wasn't so janky.
Well, in the instructional video too, you could see that they started fishing, and then
It was like
you could tell they cut it, and it went to
the finished.
the finished part there. Yeah, whatever, dude.
I'm like, okay, so we struggled with that for 20 minutes.
Everything's lined up.
Nice. Okay,
So we're gonna
how
tighten
does
these
that
up. So now basically we put it back on, and it comes with 2 new bolts for the top, and then this one that is welded to the bumper goes through this hole. Original nut goes back on there. There. Now that's on. One thing left is put the bumper cover on.
All right, let's do.
But we're gonna have to come back with a torque wrench when we get one and torque those down. But for now, I'm just gonna put this on.
Okay. Done.
The thing I'm curious about is this bumper cover, because of the way the bumper is out farther now. This hits the hitch and it has to kind of bend around it. I've marked it because I think I'm going to come back and cut this plastic piece off so that fits nice and snug against there. That's your call.
Yeah, we haven't done it yet, so we'll see. But let's take you back and show you the ceiling panels George has been working on.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Got a big stack of panels here.
Bedroom wall, port side, galley wall. Those are for the back doors. What else we got? Front galley side towards ceiling. Starboard bedroom wall.
Lots of panels, and we have the first completed ceiling panel right here. Look at that. She's a beaut. So this next week, George is going to be working on the rest of these panels, getting them wrapped, maybe installed. I don't know. And I'm not sure what we're going to be working on. Any ideas? We need.
Still trying to get our custom roof rack
Finished.
Yeah, I want to pull those channels off. Just trying to make an appointment to get I want to have some CNC'd ovals put in there. Yeah.
So we'll work on that. I don't know what else is on the list. Thanksgiving is coming up. We actually might be going into New York City the day after.
New York City.
I'm scared. So many people. So stay tuned for that. We will catch you on the other side. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody, and carry on.
Carry on.